The base rate has been held at 4% today by the Bank of England Monetary Policy Committee. I think it has been priced into the markets for the last number of weeks, and I think especially since the last meeting, there have maybe been some tempered expectations as to how aggressive the bank's cutting cycle can be. Over the next 3 to 6 months, I do anticipate that the base rate will be held. I think it's a question of how far into 2026 that pause remains in place, and I think a lot of that is going to hinge on the announcements in the budget, which is looming at the end of November. For those who are looking to buy or remortgage, I think we're now comfortably within the period of stability that we craved and desired for so long. But I wouldn't be surprised if we do see a small uptick in fixed rate mortgage pricing, particularly if the cost of borrowing, as far as the government is concerned, continues to increase. My advice to anybody looking to purchase a property or refinance in the coming weeks and months is to get in touch with an advisor at an early stage to look at the options available and how today's decision may impact the products available to you. If you are on a tracker rate, your mortgage terms and conditions will not immediately change, but I do think it's worth getting in touch with an advisor to review your circumstances, because it may be that this shift in market sentiment and the expectation of what will happen to rates in the coming weeks and months may mean that you want to review whether or not a tracker is still right for you and whether or not you'd like to look at the other options which may be available to you in the fixed rate mortgage market. My message for professional introducers to share with your clients right now is that this is not a time to panic, but it is a good time to review circumstances. Make sure that your mortgage arrangements are still fit for purpose and still in line with your short, medium and long-term goals, especially given what this shifting market sentiment may mean for where we expect rates to be in the coming weeks and months.